On my last video, I can configure the decryption policy with the local self certified, which is configured on this PaloAlto. Now I using this server, the Windows server, to be used as a certificate server. So if I can show you that the configuration, so let me delete that. If I log into this PaloAlto with the password. Okay. So here you can see there is one certificate is there already. This is actually in the self-signed certificate, which is been signed by the PaloAlto itself. So now we are going to use this. You can going to use this server as a certificate server, and you can use this certificate to this PaloAlto. So this system can be access the internet with this decryption policy through this certificate which is signed by the certificate server. So this is our lab. So let me start this lab now. So for the first we need to configure this server. So let's start this server, and now our objective is to be install a certificate server on this server. For that you need to be configure the Active Directory, DNS, and as well as certificate server. So let's start this. So add role and feature. Okay, now you can see there is started. To the next. Okay, so first we have to configure the IP address of the server. So change adapter setting, properties, just disable the IPv6 and only enable the IP4 address 192.168.1.200. 92.168.1.1, and you give the DNS is 192.168.1.200, and alternative is 8.8.8.8. So now make it okay. Yes. So as you know, that is my last lab. I configured the policy, NAT and security policy, as well as the network is also be configured. So you can get this IP address. So everything is set up. So this server should connect to the internet. But also we need to do one another thing. Let's go to this and just turn off the firewall. Just turn off the firewall. Okay, we can turn off the firewall, and then go to the next, and you can click the Active Directory domain service to be installed first. Next, install. So it will take some time, so we can come back. After that we can finish the installation. Okay, now you can see that this is installation is in process, and you can see that already there is option is come to promote the server as a domain controller. Let's click that, and you have to add the new forest. And my home lab dot local. So my home lab dot local is root domain name. So let's do the next. Now we have to provide the admin password for the recovery purpose. Okay, so yeah, then you have to go the next. The NetBIOS name automatically pop up. You can see my home lab. This is our domain. Go to the next. Then next. Then next. And then go to the installation. So let's click the installation. After installation complete, that system get restarted so automatically. So this is a simple steps to configure prompt as the server is ready. So we can pause the video and then we come back when system is restarted. Okay, system is already rebooted. So let me connect again and just do the now. I don't know, TEST 1 2 3. Yeah, you need to be change the password. So password has changed, so you can now sign in. Now you see the Accurate is installed on that PC and it is now started. So what you configure, you can configure the DNS, so that is could be helpful. So the DNS I already tell that. Forward lookup table is also configured, but reverse lookup table is not configured. For that you have to create the new zone and then go into the next, and then give the IP address 192.168.1 and then do the next and finish. Now we have to configure the you can see this is configured. server is there. So configure PTR. Here you can give the IP address of the server, especially 200. Now you can link this to the server. So then you have to check that server to launch, and let's look up. This is successfully resolved this name. Now close that. Now you can go to the add role and feature again. Go to the next, then next. Now you can install the Active Directory certificate service. Add feature and then go to the next. Now you have to configure the I click that certified authority web enrollment. That should be clicked, and when you click that, you can see the additional lot of things to be installed, and you have to add this also. So certified authority web enrollment and certified authority, both are should be configured, added actually. Now going to the next and then install. So now you can see that both this is installed. It also takes some time. Okay, as you see that it is installation is almost complete. Now you can check there is option is coming, the configure the Active Directory certificate server. Just click here. And then going to the next. Now I click the both certificate authority and certificate authority web enrollment. Now you can see. Now you can go to the click there. Certificate authority web enrollment. Then next. To the interface CA. Next. Configure. Also wait for some time for configuration is to be completed. Okay, now it is done. So let's close that and also close this. So now you can see the certificate server is already configured. Okay, now start again. Put the MMC. Now we can do the files, then add snap-in, then go into certificate template, add, go to certificate template, and you can go to the subordinate certificate authority, duplicate template, general, PaloAlto. Apply and OK. So you can see there is a PaloAlto already there. So you can check this. I think there is not much more thing to be do here. So let be as it is. Okay. Now you can close. Do the no. Now see, you can go to the SAT SRV, localhost. Localhost SAT SRV. So you can see that is now you can able to request for the certificate, view the status and download the certificate. So we can go for the request certificate, but before that we can generate that. So now on the device you go to certificate and delete that first. So when delete there is some, maybe there is the error. Yeah, this is could be the error. So for that you have to click here and just disable this, both the things, and then you can delete. Yes, and delete and then commit. So let's close that and then you can generate the file. So certificate name, we can go to the PACERT PACERT like on my home lab. So I can the my home lab .locl local, and this is certificate of authority, and then add an organization is my home lab, and then IP address. You can give the IP address 192.168.1.1. Now you can do a generate. Now you can see this is just be generated, but is the pending. So for that you need to click here and you have to export the certificate. So now certificate exported here. So you just open the certificate and you need to copy this certificate, okay, and then you can copy and go to the C, because my FTP server is configured on that folder. So for today lab and 7, just delete that and go to the paste and also the edit let the PS start. So this is a PSR. I need to send it to the server. So now from the server, you have to be, now you can go to the FTP and give the hostname is 190. This is my system hostname 123.7 and username is FTP user 1 and ADMIN@123. So you can see you're connected. Go to the 7 and then copy and paste here. Now this folder should be on the admin my document. let's go to the admin, then document, you see there. Okay, now double click here, notepad, and then going to the WhatsApp, copy this, and change that. I think that it should be better. Now copy and go to the request server, advanced certificate request, then click submit certificate. Okay, then go into the submit certificate, and then from here you can subsidiary authority also you have to give, or you can provide the, I think PA is not there, so just remove submit certificate and go into the submit, then yes, then download the certificate. So I can download the certificate, and then what to do, open folder. So it is in the download. Okay, so what you to do, this one certificate, then another, you have to download the CA certificate, download the CA certificate. Okay, then go into the CA certificate. Now I can download the CA certificate. Okay, so that you have two certificate, just delete that, is not required. So this is the CA certificate, rename that, the CA cert, and this is what PSAT. Now what to do, go to this go to that Windows NMP, and then go to this download folder, and there is two folder, just select these two folder and just here, copy here. So you can see that this folder is in this my system FTP data, FTP lab data folder. So from here I can upload this to the firewall. So first we have to be okay, first to import the CA certificate, and then after that we can install the PSAT. Okay, then take path, everything's okay. Let's put that. This is the insta, and this is only CA key, is no local public key is not there. So now you can again PSAT, import to here and go to the browser and PSAT. PSAT. So now you can get that two certificate, on the C certificate and P certificate. P certificate is signed by the C certificate. Now we click here and make in the start state root CA, and for the CA you can make it the forward trust CA. Okay, then commit. So let me complete that installation, then I can show you. So this is a completed, then close that, and now you can see this, there is already, the policy is already there. I can't delete this policy is already there. So this is duplication policy. So then you can go to the decryption policy, you can say source LAN, destination is internet, and for the all URLs an option is a decrypted. So let me use that only and don't change anything. So let commit that and then test. Because now local certificate is been deleted from my system, so are it is working or not, that I have to check. Okay, so now testing, I open that Windows 10 system. So now I can if I can try to use cognito mode. I see server is not secure. Why it is going? Certificate is invalid. You can check. This is issued by my home lab.local, but it is showing to the invalid. Why it is showing invalid? Because we not install the certificate on the local system. Issue is okay. Move home lab, but it's not been. It is my server under Cisco. But why it is not been? So you need to be install this CS certificate here also. For that you have to log into this system, or once you can download you can check. Let me try with that. CS certificate is the same. So FTP. Now let me log into our FTP server, and here I get this C certificate. Let open this thing, keep this certificate and install. So install certificate, where to install the local system, next place to the root folder, trusted root, then okay, then next. Now it is installed and okay. Let's try it again. Let's close the browser. Try with this. Got it. Okay, and then cisco.com. So it is showing this valid actually. Go to there, and then connection is secure. Certificate valid. Click here. Now you can check that my organization Cisco and common name issued by my home local and my home organization is the same. Okay, so and it cannot be mentioned. This also. So you can check there. Now it is been taking, because when you can going to the C certificate here, it is take the certificate, valid certificate. Now you can monitor and you can see the there is a decryption is there, so you can check here also. Now see all the traffic is restricted from the LAN to internet, and you can maybe can resolve, I don't know, maybe cisco.com, and all the things to be see is a decrypted. The decrypted policies work, and policies we can configure the decryption through the Windows server, certified signed by the Windows server. So this is the lab. Hope you can understand that, and it should be helpful for you.